Hello, today I'm comparing the Lumix 25mm f1.7 on a GH5 to the Tamron 28 to 75mm f2.8 on my Sony A7SII. And according to this chart here, f1.7 aperture on the micro four third sensor is right between the f2.8 and f4 on a full frame sensor, so probably f3.5 I think. Anyway, today I took some sample photos to see the bokeh difference. All photos are shot on JPEG, standard image profile, on aperture priority mode. I tried to get as close to the subject as possible for maximum bokeh. I'm surprised to see that Sony produces more vibrance in their image. The color is richer straight out of cameras. Anyways, from these close-up shots, it's pretty difficult to tell the difference. Both doing a great job, but when you take a step back and shoot from a distance, the difference begins to show. The Tamron clearly has a more blurry background. When you zoom in, you can see the bokeh in the Tamron is just a little bit better. Here, strangely, after the initial two shots, Sony went back to have a bit greenish tint, and the GH5 is the one who has a much better color here. So I guess I can't really judge the color by shooting in auto mode with JPEG. I have to shoot RAW with all menu, I guess. All in all, I would say that there isn't a big enough difference, which means Tamron with its better range is probably a winner for me personally. I probably shouldn't have bought the Lumix 25mm f1.7. Now let's take a look at the videos. The GH5 autofocus really isn't that impressive. I was standing right in front of the camera, yet it had no clue where to grab focus onto. Now let's take a look at the Sony A7SII autofocus. It's notoriously slow, but as soon as it focuses on my face, you can see even though it's slow, but it's very steady, it doesn't lose focus and doesn't miss a beat. So I definitely think this A7SII still beats the GH5 autofocus. Alright, that's the little comparison video for today. Thank you for watching.